So given in triangle RST, you all can see triangle RST, right? This PQ is parallel to ST such that RPS and RQT, so here QM is perpendicular to RS and your PT and QS are joined. Okay, PT and QS they are joined. Okay, so what you'll have to prove over here is RP upon PS and RQ upon QT you all have to prove. Okay, so first thing what you will do is take down the question. Okay, whatever is given. So given in triangle RST, let me explain you all this question. Write down in triangle RST, this full triangle you all have to see. Then this P and Q, this is exactly parallel to ST over here. Now such that you all can see here RPS is given. So RP and S is there and here RQT is there. Here this QM is perpendicular to RS and your PT and your QS, they are joined. Over here you can see SQ is joined and PT is also joined. We are supposed to prove that RP is upon PS is equal to RQ upon QT. Okay, write only the proof with reasons. Okay, so yeah. So first thing I will write down is the reasons and the statement. Okay, for this. So first I will write down in triangle RST, PQ is parallel to ST. Okay, so what I have done over here is RST I have taken triangle, PQ is parallel to ST. So this is already given. This is given, right? Second one, angle RPQ is equal to angle RST. You all can see here RPQ is equal to angle RST. Okay, now what will be the reason? Corresponding angles, right? Here you can see the corresponding angle P and S. So here you can write down corresponding angles. Since PQ is parallel to ST. Since PQ is parallel to ST, you all have to write down here. Okay. Let me give you all the third reason. Angle RQP and RTS means here also same thing, corresponding angle, and PQ is parallel to ST, same reason. Corresponding angle since PQ is parallel to ST. Fourth reason will be so both the triangle are congruent. Now which triangle is congruent? RPQ and RST. Okay, So here I was supposed to write down in the initially in triangle RPQ and triangle RST better. So both the triangles are congruent. So you which by angle. See, I have used angle. Here I have used that. Okay. Angle similarity criteria. So last I can say that RP upon RS is equal to RQ upon RT. See, RP upon RS is equal to RQ upon RT. Okay, with this I can say this. Okay, this is the basic proportionality theorem. You even call it BPT. Okay, means basic proportionality theorem. Now what you all are supposed to do is take the reciprocal of this. RS upon RP is equal to RT upon RQ. I have taken the reciprocal of this. See what I have done. RS upon RP is equal to RT upon RQ. I have taken the reciprocal, means ulta I have done. Okay, this is reciprocal of the ratio. Seventh step will be, what I will have to do, RP plus PS upon RP. So I am adding PS on both the side. Wait, here I am adding PS is equal to here RQ plus QT upon RQ. Okay, plus it is. So here RS means what? RS is equal to, RS means RP plus PS, right? And RT means RQ plus QT. Okay, what do you mean by RS? RP plus PS, and RT means this plus this means the entire portion. Okay, that's what I have done over here, RQ plus QT. Now you will have to do what? Separate the term. Here you will get RP will get cancel. You left with 1 plus PS upon RP is equal to your RQ will get cancel, 1 plus QT upon, for this is for both, right? RQ. Here I didn't write the reason, right? So here reason will be since R dash P dash S and R dash Q dash T, and here I am splitting the fraction. Next, ninth one will be what? PS upon RP, because 1 will get cancelled, and here you will get QT upon RQ. Okay, if you subtract 1 on both the side, you will get that. So here by subtracting, now here you can take the reciprocal. RP upon PS is equal to RQ upon QT, hence proved. Okay, so I hope you have understood this, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. So finally we proved.